Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by deciding where to save your PowerPoint on your computer. Open the File menu to use Save As and choose a folder. Type a clear file name that includes date or version information. Press Ctrl+S frequently to save changes quickly while you work. Choose Save As Type and pick PPTX for edits or PDF for fixed sharing and printing. Confirm the folder path and click Save to complete the local save operation. Sign in to your Microsoft account to save to OneDrive from PowerPoint. Choose OneDrive as the save location to sync slides across devices automatically. Toggle autosave on to upload changes instantly and reduce manual saving steps. Use meaningful folder names inside OneDrive to keep presentations organized and easy to find. If you need an earlier draft, open version history to restore a previous version quickly. Remember that saving to cloud storage protects your file from local hardware failures. Export your presentation to PDF, video, or slide images for different uses. Use File, then Export to customize quality, timing, and format for recipients. Set Auto Recover interval to 10 minutes in Options to limit unsaved work after crashes. Back up your file regularly to an external drive or secondary cloud account for redundancy. Use Ctrl+Shift+S when you want save as quickly and choose a new file name or location. Confirm backup copies after saving to ensure your presentation is protected and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.